one of the star products from LOM Tech, this high-speed carton tack stamp machine with hot glue sprayer is widely popular in Europe and Canada, with an output of up to 5,800 cartons per hour. It greatly improves production efficiency and meets high-capacity manufacturing demands. The machine features a compact and smart structural design, with an upgraded tax label suction system that ensures stable and reliable operation even at high speed. For greater flexibility, it can also be connected with an inkjet coating machine to complete bottom, side printing, and coding requirements automatically, making it an ideal solution for modern packaging lines.